Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss the types of cells. Objective: at the end of this video, you can identify the type of cell, identify the parts of the cell. Primary cell. A primary cell, also known as a dry cell or household battery, is commonly used to power TV remotes, clocks, and other devices. Primary cells are those that cannot be recharged and need to be discarded after the expiration of their lifetime. If the electrolyte is not in liquid form, then they are known as dry cells. Primary cells usually have a high energy density and capacity, are slow to discharge, easy to use, and are not excessively expensive. Type of cells: Mercury cells, zinc carbon cells, alkali cells, voltaic cells, silver oxide cells, lithium cells. Mercury cells. The mercury cell is a type of dry cell consisting of a zinc anode, mercuric oxide cathode, and potassium hydroxide as an electrolyte. Mercury cells use a reaction between mercuric oxide and zinc electrodes in an alkaline electrolyte. Leclanche cell. Leclanche cells are a type of zinc carbon cell. The container for this cell is a glass jar. The jar contains a strong solution of ammonium chloride, NH4. This solution is an alkali, acts as the electrolyte. A porous pot is placed in the center of the glass jar. The porous pot has a carbon rod in it, surrounded by a mixture of manganese dioxide, MnO2. The carbon rod forms the positive electrode of the cell, and MnO2 acts as the depolarizer. A zinc rod is dipped in the solution in the jar and acts as the negative electrode. The Leclanche cell was utilized widely for telegraphy, electric bell, and signaling work, and for work where intermittent and low current was needed. Alkali cells. Alkaline cells are based on the reaction between zinc and manganese dioxide. An alkaline cell is so named because the electrolyte used in it is potassium hydroxide, a purely alkaline substance. An alkaline battery also has a low internal resistance. It has a long enough shelf life. Leakage is low in this battery. Alkaline cells are used in many household items such as MP3 players, CD players, digital cameras, toys, flashlights, and radios. Voltaic cell. A voltaic cell uses copper and zinc as the two electrodes and sulfuric acid as the electrolyte. When they are placed together, a chemical reaction occurs between the electrodes and the sulfuric acid. This reaction produces a negative charge on the zinc and a positive charge on the copper. Voltaic cells are fashioned into batteries, which are a convenient source of electricity. Silver oxide cells. Silver oxide cells are much like mercury cells. However, they provide a higher voltage, 1.5 volt, and they are made for light loads. The loads can be continuous, such as those encountered in hearing aids and electronic watches. Like the mercury cell, the silver oxide cell has good energy to weight and energy to volume ratios. Lithium cells. The anode of a conventional lithium-ion cell is typically graphite made from carbon. The cathode is typically a metal oxide. It is available in a variety of sizes and colors. Configurations. Depending on the chemicals used with lithium, the cell voltage is between 2.5 and 3.6 volts. These lithium-ion cells are a type of rechargeable battery. Lithium-ion batteries are commonly used for portable electronics and electric vehicles. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.